Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amy and I travel pretty much full time. And today I am packing up everything I have in this corner here, well, some of it, and trying to put everything in to a personal item only for the trip I'm about to head out on to Greece. It's a little bit stressful because there are some wildfires going on, so hopefully it doesn't spread to the part of the island we're going to. And I have to pack it all tightly with camera equipment, my drone, a bunch of stuff. So let's see how I do and how much I can pack. Okay, so this is the backpack I'm taking with me. It fits quite a lot, especially because this part can be clipped like this, but I'm flying with Ryanair and they can be a complete pain, so I need to try to get it as squished down as possible. The first thing I'm going to do is grab all the stuff that I might want to bring with me, check it on the bed, kind of go through it and just see if it's something I want to bring with me. It's going to be really hot. I think the lows are like maybe 20, 21 at night, and it's going to be high 20s, early 30s, so I don't have to pack anything too heavy, which is a huge plus. Gonna try to squeeze it all in this packing cube. Got my quick dry towel. This is gonna be a beach towel, possibly also a shower towel because I don't have a lot of space. And I always roll everything up just to fit it better. With this towel, I think I might actually just fold it though, because it is so small and easy to pack and becomes basically nothing. That's gonna go with my bathing suit and hat. Shorts wise, I would love to take these jean shorts, but I think I'm gonna leave them behind just because it's gonna be so hot and these are gonna be pretty thick, so I'm gonna leave them. I think I might take one sweater, this one, just to wear if I want to wear it at night or on the plane because it does get a little bit cold. So I'm putting my airport outfit stuff just there. I have been wearing this t-shirt a lot and it's just a good one that's comfortable for a travel day, so I think I'm going to leave this also for my plane ride tomorrow. I won't be bringing too many pants or anything warm, so I think I might bring this one pair of linen pants just because they're thin and could be cute for a dinner out. I got a couple other skirts I want to bring as well. This one I wear all the time when I'm traveling. It's so comfy, so I'm probably going to bring it too. But I don't have that much space, so we're going to look at a couple of different ones and see. This is a maybe. This one is also going to be a maybe because it's white, but it's a little bit thick. I'm kind of also just unpacking from my Morocco trip, so I have a couple dresses that I wore when I was in Morocco that I'm going to leave behind just because they're going to take up too much room. Have a cute summery dress that I will probably be bringing just because it's perfect for Crete. We're gonna have one hiking day, so I'm gonna bring a pair of workout shorts and a sports bra. I also have these really lightweight ones I'm gonna bring because it's perfect to put on top of a bathing suit. I know this is gonna be perfect to wear on top of a dress at night, so I'm gonna bring this little mini cardigan with me. And I have my regular PJs. I'm only going for about 10 days, so I'm gonna wear these. And I might hand wash stuff if I need to, but this should be good for a short-ish trip. I might actually switch the top I'm wearing and wear this t-shirt instead, so I'm just gonna put it there as an option. Now I'm gonna need some tank tops, so I have a couple here, just like cropped tank tops to wear, and I'm gonna pack pretty much all of the ones I have because they're really thin. Okay, so I've changed since you last saw me because it got really hot, and I've kind of rearranged the packing. I have everything in here, which I will show you once I finalize it. I like to do a test pack and just see what I need to get rid of, what I have space for. This is all my clothes, towel, bathing suit, and I'm gonna chuck it in here. As you can see, it fits, but it's, gonna be hard to put in my camera and stuff. I'm gonna bring a water bottle as well. I'm taking my camera, which takes up a lot of space and is really heavy, so this will be on top. And at the moment, this would most likely pass for Ryanair, but I don't have my toiletry stuff inside, so, or my laptop actually. So I'm gonna have to rearrange a couple things and see how I can make it fit a little bit better. All right, so I've made some really tough cuts. Here's what I'm left with. This fanny pack Uniqlo bag, and this is my backpack. Fits everything nicely, and I'm probably just gonna carry like this sweater on with me to have when I'm on the plane. I'm gonna wear a long skirt and yeah, just have this or maybe this as well. I could tuck it in here if I need to. And I'm gonna just hold my water bottle going on. They usually don't care about that. I'll try to sneak this tote bag in somehow and we'll have my passport tucked in. But otherwise I have everything packed. So let's just show you everything I actually put in. I've just emptied everything out. Here is just a power bank that is going in the front inside pouch. I also already have my laptop in here, as you can see. This is my microfiber towel just tucked in. This side has my bathing suits in a little thing. The rest of it's empty at the moment. But I have my packing cube. I've packed it, as you can see, only about halfway because this was the only way I could fit everything with my camera. And I realized this is the lightest I've ever packed. So I packed one dress that's rolled up in this little ball, PJs, 3 shorts, this one linen top, 5 little tiny crop tops I can wear. And I actually snuck the rest of my tops in here, along with my hairbrush, comb, and I have, I think, three tops, sunglasses, and I'm gonna put my passport in here. And that pretty much fills this completely. Okay, so that's my clothes. So I'm really just packing that down. This has my fake GoPro in here that I'm gonna use for some content, and it has all my chargers. So it just has that, couple chargers, and my international driving license, which I might need. I still have to add one iPhone charger, but that's just gonna go kind of squished in on the outside as best as I can. Then the only thing that's really left is my camera, and because I don't want to take my camera case because it won't fit, I'm just putting it inside a beach hat. And that's going right on top. And I do have to add a couple things to my toiletries, but at the moment in here I just have my shampoo and conditioner bar, which is in this. Toothbrush, I have to add toothpaste and deodorant still. Then I also have my sunscreen. Well, this is moisturizer, sunscreen, and a little few things of makeup, and that's honestly it. I'm gonna add like a couple things to this, and I can kind of squish this down pretty well. So that's just going right beside my camera. None of it is wet really, so it's not gonna leak, and it's in a waterproof bag. And then yeah, the last thing I really will probably add is this tote bag just on top, just because it's probably pretty easy to fit with this, because this will be really useful and good for beach days. So I'm just gonna chuck that on top actually. Snap, snap. And it closes perfectly. So yeah, all that's really coming with me additionally is the passport and this to wear on the plane, and a water bottle which I'm gonna refill. And this is it. Hopefully Ryanair will not be too harsh on me. And if you're wondering why I didn't pack many clothes at all, and if it looks like I don't have enough, one, I have 3 bathing suits. I'm gonna be swimming most of the time every day, so I don't actually need that much. It's not gonna drop below 21 or 22 degrees at night, so I don't really need any layers, which is really good. And also 2, I could do some laundry if I really need to. I sometimes just do that in the hostel in the bathroom and just wash my clothes by hand. So I think I'm good, but let me know if you could pack this light. Hands down the lightest I've ever packed for a 10-day trip. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how far this goes. I might actually wear the same sort of stuff when I go to Bordeaux later this summer because I'm going for, I think, 8 days, so it'll be a slightly shorter trip. So this is kind of a test round to see how we go with bringing the camera as well. So as you guys can see, I have made it to Greece. I made it with the bag. I will say the flight was delayed, so they were kind of rushing people through and didn't even check anyone's bags. So that's not guaranteed to happen. But if you're traveling in the summer, it might happen and you could get away with having a smaller bag that's kind of hidden. That's all I have to say for now. Make sure you're subscribed because I put up new videos every single week, and I will see you next time for a new video. Bye!